Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to create a gauge in Power BI. Just like before, we'll choose the gauge from the visualization pane. This visualization type is built into Power BI, so we don't need to download anything extra. Let's get started. Select the gauge chart from the visualization pane. Add sales to the values field. This will populate the gauge with our total sales. And there you go. The gauge is set up. Now, let's look at what's happening with the values. Sometimes, Power BI automatically doubles the main value as the maximum if no specific target or end value is set. In our case, it doubled the total sales. We can easily adjust this by entering a maximum value manually, which will set a target for comparison. This is useful because gauge charts are designed to show how close an actual value is to a target, making it easy to see if you're on track or falling short. If you have a target sales value in your dataset, you can simply drag it into the target field. If not, let's create one. Go to the Home tab, then select New Measure under Calculations. Name the measure Target Sales, or any name that suits your data. Type equals sum of sales times 1.4. This multiplies the total sales by 1.4 to set a higher target. You can adjust this multiplier to create a target that makes sense for you. Press Enter. You'll now see this target field in the data pane. Drag the target sales measure to the target field on the gauge. Your gauge now shows a target value, indicating if the sales goal has been met. Now, let's create another gauge for profit. Select a new gauge chart and add profit to the values field. Since there's no profit target in the dataset, we'll create one the same way. Go to New Measure. Name it Profit Target, or similar. Type equals sum profit times 1.6, or any multiplier you prefer, to set a target. Press Enter to create it, and then drag it into the target field on the gauge. Now you'll see the profit gauge showing your set target for profit as well. Let's add a pie chart to break down sales by region. When you select a region on the pie chart, notice that the gauge chart will automatically update to show data for that specific region. This isn't limited to just pie charts. Any chart selection on the page will update all the others, letting you see specific details across all visualizations. With these steps, you now know how to create and customize a gauge chart in Power BI, set target values, and create interactive charts. This way, you'll always know at a glance whether you're meeting or missing your goals.